Spring is coming fast. The trees are blooming, the greenhouse is packed, and everything is doing its job. Except for these guys. Don't get me wrong, they're laying eggs. These little ladies are downright destructive if you're not careful. Remember this place? That's right, I said, remember. Our garden space is kept shut with this latch, but now something's missing. Right here. Yesterday, this gate swung open in the wind, and the garden became this. Flat. The chickens did a number on the whole garden, though the raised beds fared a little better. Thankfully, we haven't planted a whole lot yet. So before I start fixing the garden, we have to take care of problem number one, the gate. The wood is dried out and is splitting, so I'm giving the corners a bit of rigidity with a few scrap blocks for starters. I've got this new locking version of the gate latch, so hopefully that'll work out better. I pre-drilled for the latch so we don't split the wood any more than we already have. Once I've gotten the eye finger tight, I get out my chainsaw wrench because there are a few problems I can't solve with one of these. The latch seems to be working, but I'm going to do a little extra to the gate. I used to need to drive a mower through it, but in our earlier garden prep video you may have seen that we got rid of the rest of the grass that was inside. So now the double gate is more of a problem than a solution. These shorter T-posts should do the trick, but I'm attaching them with twine from hay bales, so if I decide I don't like it, it's easy to take off or change. Gate works. On to the hard part. Thankfully, the rows are still kind of visible, so getting them in roughly the same location wasn't too hard. I found a few fallen soldiers that we'll have to replace, thanks to the birds. One bit of silver lining to this incident is that we get a sneak peek at how our goat poop, mulch, compost, and dirt are coming along this spring, and it looks great down there. Dark, rich soil was turned up, so if we can just keep the birds out of here, we should have a great growing season. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, there's only one thing left to do. Mulch. Mulch it all over again.